Namaste world, welcome to the demo of my final project FiltPix. I'm very excited to showcase my final project. In this video, I'll walk you through its features and functionality. This project has been a culmination of everything I have learned in CS50 and I hope you found it as interesting as I do. Let's take a look. FiltPix, an innovative web-based image editing application designed to unleash your creativity. Whether you are a casual user or an aspiring artist, FiltPix offers an easy and fun way to transform your photos into stunning works of art. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the user-friendly interface. Here on the main page, you will see a simple upload form. Just click Browse to select an image from your device. FiltPix supports popular formats like PNG and JPG, making it easy to get started. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see some unique filters to choose from. Let's start with the sketch filter. Watch as I apply it to this photo. In just a few seconds, the image transforms into a hand-drawn sketch, giving it a unique artistic flair. Next up is the water art filter. This effect adds a fluid artistic touch to your images. Just look at how beautifully it enhances the colors and patterns. Now, let's try the cartoonize filter. This one really makes the image to look vibrant cartoon versions of themselves. The wingman effect helps to draw attention to the center of your image, adding a polished touch to your photos. For those who prefer a more classical look, we have the grayscale filter. It gives your images a timeless monochrome style. After applying your favorite filter, you can easily save the image to your device. FiltPix is all about making image editing accessible and enjoyable for everyone. We appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you.